welcome back to Embers and Ash. My name's Ashley. Oh my gosh, are you serious? That was out of nowhere. Okay, you're fine now? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Embers and Ash. My name's Ashley, if you didn't know, and my closet is a disaster. Like, I've never had it be this bad before. If you can see, this dresser is about to like topple over. Oh, honey. Rook is like right behind you, and this might get cut off short because he seems pretty upset all of a sudden. So I want to explain myself a little bit as to how it got this bad. Basically, I was pregnant and now I'm not, so I have all these maternity clothes that I'm not wearing anymore, and I needed to expose my non-maternity clothes, and so they were all in this dresser, and so I've been picking through all of my clothes trying to find what fits and what I'm wearing now, but I still haven't put away my maternity clothes, so I just have like 2 wardrobes basically, and then also I have a newborn baby, so I haven't really had the chance yet to deal with this, and I knew I wanted to film it, so that's why we are where we're at, and this really shouldn't be put off any longer because it's driving me insane. Yeah, so I'm going to declutter this closet with you guys today. If my baby stops crying. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the closet and throw it on the bed, and we'll sort through it all together and hopefully get somewhere. Guys, I still haven't unpacked my hospital bag. It's been a month. Okay, I need to make room for myself in this massive pile. So my plan is, obviously I'm going to get all my maternity stuff out of the way, put it in storage, but there are also a lot of maternity clothes that I bought that I thought I would wear that I haven't at all. So those are gonna get donated, and then yeah, I'm just gonna go through everything else and get rid of what I'm not gonna wear anymore. You know the drill, so let's get to it. Okay, I have a bunch of jackets here that I know I wear a lot, like my corduroy jacket and my jean jacket. I will make a keep pile right there. These are my maternity pants with the belly band. Those are for sure staying. I bought this dress to wear as maternity, but I never really did because I found out very quickly that even being pregnant doesn't make me a dress person. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is another maternity dress that I'm really not the biggest fan of, but honestly, like, I still need to wear something while I'm pregnant, and I did wear this one a lot because it was super comfortable, so I'll keep this guy. These are also some maternity pants that were really nice kind of in the earlier months because they just have this stretchy side here, so keeping those. These I wore for months at the end of my pregnancy. They are extra large biker shorts. So freaking comfortable. I'm so glad I bought them. I just got them off of Amazon for like 20 bucks, so these are staying. And then I have a dress here. If you've been here for a while, you know I thrifted this, and it is still one of my favorites for like weddings and such, special events, so that's staying. This one I think I'm gonna get rid of because I really don't gravitate to it anymore. Yeah, so, I mean, that's all the reason I need to get rid of something. This is an off-the-shoulder shirt that I bought, I think, last summer, and I literally haven't worn it once, so that's going. I also bought a bunch of clothes anticipating my postpartum body, and it is not what I expected. So some of the clothes that I bought in my last thrift haul, I'm actually just gonna be donating back because they don't fit the way I thought that they would. So for example, I don't actually need this loose fitting shirt, so oh well. I bought this skirt for pregnancy, and once again, I am not a skirt person, even with being pregnant, so that's going. This feels so good getting rid of stuff, wow. Okay, that is a sock. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this yellow sweater. I wear it all the time, spring, summer, winter. Another one that I'm keeping, Nearly everything yellow I'm keeping. This oversized yellow shirt I bought thinking I would wear it a lot, but the fabric is actually, I think it's just cotton, but it's scratchy almost. So unfortunately I'm getting rid of this one. And then I bought this shirt for pregnancy, and I honestly really didn't wear it that much because it's just too feminine for me. So yeah, that's leaving. This is my trusty winter sweater that I've had for 10 years. This is not going anywhere. Ooh, I forgot I had this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start wearing this more. Couldn't wear it while I was pregnant, but this is my like linen button-up shirt. I like that one a lot. Can you hear that? I think Rook's waking up. Uh-oh. Have I shown you this green shirt before? I feel like I have. I thrifted it a while ago and it was one of my go-tos for pregnancy and right now as well. This sweater I've had for a long time, and when I think about it right now, I don't ever wear it, but I think that's just because it's the summer and I was pregnant. So I think I'll give this a shot in the fall and winter and then make a decision on it. I bought this guy for postpartum. It just ties up in the front and I'm liking this one, so I will keep it. I bought this oversized white shirt for postpartum, but it doesn't actually flatter me the way I thought it would, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. You see, I bought these clothes prior to giving birth because I thought I wouldn't be able to go thrifting when I had a baby. Sure enough, I've gone thrifting and I actually have some stuff to show you in another video. So it kind of was a waste of money, but I also didn't know if I would be able to shop at all, so I don't know how I feel about that. Love this one. Okay, I have this shirt here, and there was another one here that are both from Motherhood Maternity, and they're just maternity shirts. Like at first they were too big for me, so they didn't really look like they fit right, and then even after I grew into them, I didn't really like wearing them, so these guys are gonna get donated. Oh, I forgot about this shirt. I think I'm over this one. I bought this a couple years ago and really liked it, but now I think I'm over the print, so thanks for treating me well. Oh, this is another item. I didn't wear this once, so I bought this maternity shirt, but again, it's just so feminine that I never really felt like wearing it, and yeah, so unused. It does make me feel better though, the fact that all of these maternity clothes I got at like crazy discount prices, like 50 to 70% off because Motherhood Maternity was closing. So it still is wasted money, but not as wasteful as it could have been. This is one of my favorite summer tops. I'm definitely keeping this guy. This is a lot of clothes to go through, and I don't really want to talk about each item, so some of these are just getting tossed without explanation. But a lot of these items that are like fall or winter, I'm just keeping because I don't want to make a choice on them right now, you know? I've had this dress for a long time and I think I've worn it once. It's just this nice brown color and it has a tie in the front, but because it's not breastfeeding friendly, I can't see myself wearing it for like a year, and then even besides that, I never really wore it, right? So another one getting donated. I got my maternity overalls here that I only really got to wear for the last like 3 weeks of my pregnancy when I was big enough to fit into them, but I'm sure next pregnancy I'll grow quicker, so I'll get more wear out of them. Okay, these jeans. These jeans I've had for years, and they're just like a straight leg but also fitted pair of jeans from Urban Outfitters, and they are so comfortable to wear, but I never wear them because I don't like the cut of them, so I think I'm finally gonna let them go. I finally feel comfortable enough to say goodbye to these jeans that have treated me so well. Then I got a bunch of pants that I know I'm keeping, like these Wrangler ones, these Levi's, these high-waisted guys from Garage, these like jogger Levi's that I know I will wear a lot in the fall. This is my other pair of maternity pants. These I wore all the time. They were a great investment, so those are staying. And then I just have a couple pair of overall shorts that I'm going to keep. I have this pair of black skinny jeans, which I kept just because I didn't have any black pants, but I haven't worn these, I bet you, in years, so they're gonna go. And then I have this pair of skinny jeans. They're just like a mid-rise skinny jean. I'm getting rid of them because I just don't really wear skinny jeans anymore. My other issue is that I buy button-ups thinking I'm gonna wear them, but they just, I don't know, are not flattering on me, so I'm going to donate both of these. Ooh, maternity jean shorts. Those are staying. Ooh, I forgot about these. These are my velvet black pants. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these in the winter. I bought these shorts because they're the same style as one of my favorite pairs of high-waisted jeans, but they were too short, and so I unraveled the cuff. Is that what you call it? The fold at the bottom. And now they just kind of fit weird, so these are getting donated as well. I've been loving this dress that I recently bought from the thrift store just because it's so lightweight and airy. Like, I don't wear it out that much because it's a wrap dress, and if it's windy it'll like open up, but it's really comfortable for kind of around the house or just like going to someone's house. Okay, if you haven't seen, I can't remember when I talked about this, but pregnancy essential. If you own any Lululemon sweaters, they are the best sweaters for pregnancy because they run really long, so you can get a lot of use out of them for a long period of time, whereas like other sweaters I owned would just get too short too quick. So these have been great. This is another item of clothing that I've had. I think I've had this since like 2012. Just a plain old plaid shirt, and I am not planning on getting rid of it anytime soon. I have a bunch of like outdoor clothes that I am for sure keeping. Vintage leather jacket. I'm definitely keeping this for the winter. I bought this a couple years ago. It's this like really oversized long sleeve shirt thing, and I bought it thinking it wasn't so big, but it turned out to be huge. But I was like, you know what, eventually I'm gonna have kids and I'm gonna want an oversized shirt while I'm pregnant. Never wore it, so that's going. This is another really old shirt that I used to wear all the time, but I've kind of just grown out of wearing it and I have better options. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to wear normal sports bras again. Like, I'm living that nursing bra life, hopefully for a long time. This was a purchase this past winter, and I thought it was really fun for like Christmas events, you know, super red. Oh, another one of my fall favorites, this sweater. Can't wait for fall. Also, well, okay, shouldn't say that. I'm excited for fall attire. I'm not excited for summer to be over. I have a bunch of like really ugly, just plain sweaters. This is all just like work clothes, so those are staying. A couple years ago, Josh and I made a trip over to Vancouver Island, and we didn't bring bathing suits because it was kind of a last minute thing, but we were staying at this hotel that had a hot tub, and so we just ran over to Walmart and bought some bathing suits, and sure enough, I have not worn these since that trip, so these are getting donated. I love this shirt. I think I'm wearing this shirt in my YouTube profile picture. Yeah, one of my favorites for summer. So this shirt I've had for a couple years. I think one of my first thrifting videos had this shirt in it, and I still like it. I think I'll get use out of it in the winter, but specifically I'm keeping it because it's so long that it's one of the only shirts that I could wear while I was pregnant. So if nothing else, it will be saved for maternity. Okay, I think I'm all done. This is all just my outdoor gear and work clothes. So I think I'm ready to start putting stuff back in my closet. So when I was pregnant, I designated my dresser to be all my pre-pregnancy clothes, and then I just hung everything else up that actually fit me. But now I think I'm going to organize it where one drawer is going to be for all my jeans, one drawer is going to be for my outdoor and work gear, I'll have a drawer for my maternity clothes, and then everything else will get hung up. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm so thankful that this is checked off my list because it's been driving me insane having to come in here every day to get changed. So I'll give you a once over of the whole closet, but basically on the rack I have on one half all of my summer spring clothes that I'm currently wearing, and then on the other half I have all my winter fall attire, so I'm not going to be picking through that, so I wanted it just kind of at the back. And then in my drawers, like I said, I have a drawer for my pants, then a drawer for my outdoor and my work clothes, and then a drawer for PJs, and finally all my maternity clothes are packed away at the bottom. Yeah, I'll also give you a shot of all the clothes that I'm going to be donating. I feel so good about getting rid of all this stuff that's just been like cluttering my closet and my mind, honestly. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, if you're interested, go check out my previous closet declutter if this is what you're into. I try and not fill my closet up so I can declutter it, but I feel like I have a good enough excuse with going through pregnancy and my body completely changing so quickly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!